Hello fellow Movavi users, just showing you a quick guide on how I use lens overlays lens flare overlays in Movavi. It's not built into the program fully, so I found a little way of doing this, and it adds a little bit of more production value look to some of your video shots if you're just sort of shooting normally without any super skills. But I just basically overlay these on top of them and then mess with the opacity, whatever the word is. I'm not going to say it again. I can't pronounce it properly right now. I just woke up. But anyways, you drag it over there, you extend it to cover the whole screen, and place it over. You can see that for this particular image, just doing a quick test, it looks really, really good. I've got a bunch of them I found. I actually purchased these online in a pack, but you could probably find the same things online, and probably find other types of ways to use this same technique to find other ways to overlay on top to give your videos that extra little kick. Anyways, thanks for checking this out. Hope this helps everyone, and I'm out of here. If you guys want more Movavi stuff, I'll sometimes add it to this group here. I'm not going to put this on my big YouTube channel, but here it is for anyone who wants to look at it.